Millie.
Oh.
Hey, Caleb. Oh, you're that girl from the club, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing here? Well, I got a day off today, so, can I join your trio? Oh, sure. Come on. Okay. So what are you guys to do at night again? Like treasure tipping or something? You know it. How do I... So when do you do it?
At night time.
We do this at night? Oh, come on. It's funny. This is gonna be ridiculous.
Watch this.
Blitzo, you're next.
Alright. What's this?
Is he slithering like a snake?
Yup.
That's weird. I know. Alright, Starbeam, you're up.
Okay.
So she can fly after all.
Told ya.
Bow! Moo! Moo! So all I have to do is jump scare them? Yep. What was that? It's Frank. What? Moo! Ah! Moo! And look at you! Moo! Ah! That's always happened. Yep. Oh, we're gonna be killed. Jump! Grab on, Blitzo! Got ya! Wow! We got you! Whoa! Okay, are you seriously coming on me? Yeah, I know you're flying, Caleb, but could I use you as a hoverboard? Fine, pretend you're surfing. Oh yeah! Oh, I'm surfing, yo! Whoa!
Moo.
Why you...
Hello? Moo? Moo? Moo?
Who am I? I'm the OG Shatter.
Moo 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 moo.
What did you say?
Moo 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 moo.
That's what you said? You think I'm like Alexander?
Mm-hmm.
Why, you little son of a bitch!